Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout settings value to never. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. Here, go for the display. And as you will see, the maximum value that we can set as for the screen timeout feature is 30 minutes. So in order to set this option to never, we will need to use the help of the third-party free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So at the Play Store search bar, type in Caffeine. That's the app that we are looking for. Click on install, wait for the app to get installed and downloaded. Then just press on open, then show again. And here make sure that the chosen value at the timeout category is infinite, and from now on, as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!